Hello guys, welcome to my content about myself. I will introduce myself to you. My name is Taris Gibran Putra Wijaya and I born in Batu Sangkar on 1 March 2005. My friends call me Taris or Ibam. And now my age is 19 years old and I'm the first child on my family. My zodiac is Pisces. My hobbies is listening music, playing music, watch a film, reading a novel, and many else. The interesting spot in my place is Nirwana Beach, Cerocok Beach, Puncak Sago, maybe, and Puncak Gaguan. And the favorite spot in my place is Puncak Sago. And the story why I joined NTPLN is I know it from my teacher in the high school. I think this campus is good and so special with the electrical and the engineering. Why I choosing this major of system energy engineering? I think this major have the many works in the future. I hope so. And this is the best campus I think in my life. Maybe that's enough about introducing myself and Sadar. Thank you for watching my vlog and thank you very much. And bye bye.